It is easy to make money provided we know how to read the indicators, read the signals given by the indicators. Most of the good indicators are right more than 70% of the time. It is important for us to learn how to read these indicators. The indicators tell us the stories. Of course, we need to remember that no one at all can dictate terms to the market. Market is its own boss. Market is supreme. It does what it pleases. As such, indicators too do not dictate terms to the market, but most of the indicators that we are using, which are lagging indicators, they tell us the stories if we know how to read them. They tell us the stories about what happened and what might happen. For that, we need to learn how to read these indicators. See these Nifty indicators till last trading session, 20th of January 2023, in this month. For whatever it's worth, it tells us, of course, we can't say that the market is going here or market is going there, because market is not going anywhere. That is the truth. But then that is the time for us to wait. That is, we can make money, maximum money, when the market is trending. When the market is range bound, we need to wait, patiently wait. So, if nothing else, this tells us, you see, January started with 18,100, 18,200 levels, and today we are more or less around that, still around that. So, market has made a low of 17,800 odd. Market has made a high of 18,200 odd. So, market is not moving anywhere. So, we should not be putting a lot of money in this market at this particular time. When the market turns from red to green, green to red continuously, that is one day green, one day red, one day red, one day green, that is, market is telling us that you wait. When the market starts trending, we get the signals, and that is when we need to take action. You see, for example, this is one of the stocks, L&T, Larsen & Toubro. See how beautifully it has given us indication that it is going to go up. It started giving us indication long ago, but it has started giving us indication and it has started moving. It has started moving up. There are many such stocks which tell us that it wants to go up or it wants to go down. Basically, you see, it is nothing but story of accumulation. Some big people are buying continuously, that is why it's going up. Or if they start selling, it will start going down. You see, I will show you the indicators for all the Nifty 50 stocks. Have a look and try to use it well for your benefit to make profit. This is Adani Enterprises to BPCL, the first 10 stocks. Next is Britannia to HDFC Bank. Alphabetically, I have put it. HDFC Life to Kotak Bank. L&T to SBI Life. And State Bank of India to Wipro. The stocks and their indicator. Indicators, Supertrend, ADX, VA14, MACD, MACD histogram, PSR, Keltner channel, Bollinger Band, RSI, ultimate oscillator, and 5-day moving average. All these, if they are supporting each other, then that stock is going in that direction and it tells us the direction clearly. If they are going against each other, that is the time to keep away. So friends, use these things well and I'm sure you can make money. If you wish to learn, you can always get back to me. Or if you have got any doubt, please call me. I shall be happy to assist you. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.